Hello and welcome to another video edition of our YouTube channel Binefx Trader. Our website is www.binefxtrader.com. We want you to like our videos, subscribe to our channel, make comments at the bottom of the video, and then ask questions. We'll try to respond to your questions as soon as possible. Then hit the bell button, the notification button at the bottom of the video, so that you can see more videos when we roll them out. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility index 75. This is a good strategy. It involves indicators. On the main chart you have moving averages. Let's look at the indicators. You have fractals, purple color. You have moving average 21 EMA, orange color. You also have 5 EMA, red color. That's for the main chart, as you can see. So if the red line, which is the 5 EMA, if it crosses above the orange line, which is the 21 EMA, you have your buy. We are looking at 15 minutes time frame, volatility index 75, 15 minutes time frame. So for you to sell, you allow the red line to cross down on the orange line for you to sell. So if we look back into history, you can see mainly the red line crosses, V75 starts to buy, and immediately it crosses again, it starts to sell. So that's for the main window. For indicator window 1, let's look at the indicators. Okay, indicator window 1, we have MACD 12 26 9. Apply to close, no colors. Okay, no color. Then we have moving average 250 linear weight. The method is linear weight. We apply to first indicators data, and the color is purple. Then you have the next is moving average 200 linear weight. The method is linear weight. You apply to first indicators data, and the color is blue. Then the last one is moving average period 1 linear weight, first indicators data. The color is red. Don't forget the period for the first moving average is 250 period, and the period for the second moving average is 200 period, and the last one is 1 period. Okay, for linear weight first indicator data. Now let's go to the indicator window 1. On indicator window 1, we can see, let me highlight what I'm talking about here. Okay, this is indicator window 1. When the red line crosses the blue and the purple lines, you have your buy trend. And when it crosses down, like you have here, you have your sell trend when the red line crosses down on the blue and the purple line. If we go back to history again, okay, attempt to cross here. There's an attempt for the red line to cross here, but it didn't cross. So the downtrend still continues. Let's look at, okay, this is where the downtrend started here. You have your downtrend here. Then you have your uptrend here. Uptrend started around here for indicator window 1. Let's move back again. We can see another uptrend started here at this point in history. We are looking at the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, indicator window 1. Okay, there's a downtrend here, and there's a downtrend here, and there's a short uptrend here. So indicator window 1 is just for your trend, for you to identify your trend. That's that for indicator window 1. Let's look at indicator window 2. Let's look at the indicators. For indicator window 2, we have relative strength index. Period is 7. You apply to close, no color. Then the next one is Bollinger Bands. Period is 34. Deviation is 1.619. You apply to first indicator data. The color is black. Then the third one is moving average. Period is 34. The method is simple method, first indicators data. You apply to first indicators data. The fourth indicator is period is 3, moving average. The method is exponential. You apply to first indicator's data, and the color is red. Then the fifth one is moving average. Period is 5. Method is exponential. You apply to first indicator's data, and the color is green. Then the last one is also a moving average. The period is 200. The method is exponential. You apply to first indicator's data, and the color is black. Now let's go to the indicator window 2. Now the way you use indicator windows 2 is when the red and the green lines cross down on the 200 moving average black line. When it cross down, you have your sell trigger. When it cross up, you have your buy trigger. Like you have a buy trigger here, around here. Let's look for a buy trigger. Okay, there's a buy trigger here. You start to buy when the two lines cross up, and when they cross down, you start to sell. Like you have a cross down here. Let me try and okay, we have a cross up here. There's a cross up here. We are looking at the 1 minute time frame. Start to buy, and there's a cross down here. You start to sell on the 1 minute time frame. You can use this strategy on any time frame. You can even use it on let's go to 1 hour time frame. For 1 hour time frame, you start to buy around here, start to sell around here. You have your sell trigger around here. So that's the way the strategy works. It's a very good strategy. You just back test it over the time. You can use it for volatility index like 25, like V100. You can use it for step index. You can use it for boom and crash. You can also use it for other indices that you want to use it for. You can use it for Forex. You can use it for Nasdaq 100. You can use it to trade gold. It's a very good strategy. Like it allow the red line to cross up, or allow the red line to cross up above the orange line on the main window. They also allow the trend to form, to tell you that we are in an uptrend. Then allow the trigger to form. You allow the green and the red line to cross up above the 200 moving average within the Bollinger Bands on the indicator window 2. Then you take your trade and you ride along with the trend. So that's that for this strategy. You'll likely try to backtest it on demo account before you go to live account. You will enjoy it. If you have more questions, you can state your questions under the video. We'll try as much as possible to answer your questions. So that's that. Like our video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so that when we send out more videos, you'll be the first to see our video and learn more about our strategy. You can go to our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more about the strategy. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.